Hi guys, don't miss to watch today's video because today I will teach you very common self-defense technique. This incident can be happen anytime in your life, so don't miss to watch today's video. So let's start the technique. If your friend or someone stranger grab your wrist or arm, then how do you get rid of it? In this situation, I will teach you two easy techniques. If he grab your wrist like this and if he grab your wrist like the other way like that. So let's start the technique. If he grabs your wrist very tightly, then first of all, you have to hold your hand like this and raise your arm up like this as you can see in the video without any other movement. Then lift your elbow up, same like this, and he will leave you due to pain. Once more. The twisting of thumb will cause him pain and he will leave you immediately. Now learn another technique. If he grab you like this way, then what should you do here? This technique is exactly the same as before, but you have to hold your hand on the back of his arm because his finger are locked backward. When you lift your arm up, his thumb will be in pain due to twisting. And if he doesn't release you, may even break his thumb. Now we will show you this technique once more time in fast motion. Guys, must tell us in comment box how you like our video, and if you like the video then press the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to learn more techniques. Thank you.